Your videos are not bad, yes, but your problem is you know how to color your face, you know how to color your lip combo, or you don't know how to color grade. Yes, I said what I said. Color grading is one part of video editing that will take your video from 0 to 100. Hi Chronicles. So you have been asking me, Tessie, teach us color grading. I want to know how to color grade my video. It is not for everybody. There are some people that they will just take your phone like this and start recording, blah 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 blah, and just post it like that. There are people like that. But you that you want to do little edits, you want to do, some kind of magic to your video before you post it, you need to know how to color grade. Even if it's the simplest one, even if it's template that you want to use, just know how to do one. You don't have to be a professor in it before you color grade. So I'll be teaching you how to do it in this video. If you like this video, you share it for others to see, and you tell me what you want to learn next in the comment section. So let's go. So this is the video we are going to be color grading together, and I want you to know that color grading is personal and there are factors to color grading. Your background, the color of your outfit, and your light setup will determine the outcome of your color grading. Don't just say because of what the ratios of what I'm going to use in this video, you must use the same thing on your video. You are going to get different outcome. If you are using white background, yellow background, black background, green background, you are wearing white clothes, yellow clothes, and all that, or your light setup is different from mine, and it's good, you are going to get different results. So your background, your outfit, your light setup will determine the outcome of your color grading. The most important thing is for you to know how and what to do with the fixtures, and that is what I'm going to teach you now. So this is the video you want to color grade. After you've cut and join everything that you are supposed to cut, you make your video clean. You cut the necessary parts. Then you see this part down here. You see here, you search filter. This is the two things that we are going to use, filter and adjust. So you click on filter. This is CapCut. So you click on filter. If you don't want to stress, you don't want to learn anything else, you can be using filter alone. What you just do is reduce or increase it. So this is filter. You see all this thing up here, feature, new, eat, live, and blah blah blah, everything up here, they have their usage. Don't go and use food filter for your skin, for your talking head. Those people that put food there, they have sense, they know what they are doing. Don't go and use night filter for food. You are doing night vlogs or also something at night or something like that is supposed to be night filter, then you are using the filter under night for food. You already know how the outcome is going to be in your head. Do you get? So, and there's mono, so there are a lot of filters here that you can use, but just make sure you use it correctly. Yeah, there is 4K. There are some filters that I love using. There is 4K. See here, anyone you like, just pin it down to go to your fixtures. So you see cinematic blue. Can you see my video? It has changed. You see, you can use this arrow here to increase or decrease it. That is why I said if you don't want to learn anything, just be using the template alone self, it is something. So if I increase it here, it will give me this thing. Look at me. You see it has changed compared to when I did not use anything. If I reduce it, it's before, like the way it was before. Now the way it is like this. Do you see? You can use 4K. This is 4K. This is how 4K looks. This is how 8K looks. You can use a see, this is Barbie. Let's use Barbie. Can you see? It's pinkish in color. Dusty. Can you see? So I'll be using 4K. You can use Bad Bunny. I like Bad Bunny too. Can you see the way Bad Bunny is? That coolness effect, bokeh and all that. So for this tutorial, I'll be using 4K. So this is 4K and I'll put it here at 80. Okay. After that, you see adjust. You click on adjust. This is where you are going to do little work. If you are too lazy, you can just click on auto adjust. It will auto adjust it for you. But I don't want auto adjust. I want to do it the way I want it. then you click out. All this color match, color correction, you might not necessarily need it. Okay. I do tell my students that those students that are learning editing from me, less is more. You don't have to use all the features just because you know how to color grade before you have a clean video. No. So this is brightness. If you want more brightness, you can just increase it. To the right is plus, to the left is minus. So you can just increase it. I'll just put this at 5. Remember, I said it is personal. So what I feel is okay for me might not be okay for you, and what you feel is okay for you might not be okay for me. You might put your own brightness at 50. Okay, so contrast. This is contrast. You see that it is changing. Can you see it? Can you see it? But I will not be touching my own contrast here. So this is saturation. Saturation is to add color or remove color from your video. If you go right like this, it will add reddish color to your video, and if you go left, it will remove the color till it turns to the 90s, black and white. It will remove the color. If you want black and white, if you want black and white or something, just come to saturation, reduce the color to 50, it will turn to black and white. So I'll not be making it black and white, I'll just reduce it small. I want that natural skin color, my skin color. So I'll put the saturation on -5. So it is not necessary you use your own as -5. You can add to your own, but my own is -5. This is how I want it. Our next AI class for Quart 5 is on now. The registration is on. You can use the link in my bio to register, or you send DM. So brilliance is for brightening and lightening stuff, but I will not be touching my brilliance. I'll just leave it like that. You can increase your own, you can reduce it. That is color grading for you. So sharpness, as it sound, there's no further explanation to it. I'll put my own at 50, 20. You can put your own at 50 or 100. It is your choice. Just play around with it. Do test run with different videos and see what you like. Do you get? So my own clarity, to make the skin and the video more clearer, I'll put my clarity at 50. I like to stay in between. I don't want too much. I don't want less. So I just like to stay in between. So I put my clarity at 50 personally for me. You can put your own at 100. You can put it at 10. HCL is to pop out color. Like this purple on my head now. I'll just click on this purple. Right? I want the purple to pop out. So the hue, I can increase the hue or reduce it if you want it to pop out. The saturation, remember I said saturation is to add or remove color. If I increase it, the color will pop more. If I reduce it, it turn to black. Can you see? Yes. So I'll just increase it a little bit to maybe 50 something. And the lightness, how bright or dark I want it to be. Can you see the bonnet is changing? You see it's darker. Here it is lighter. So can you see? So if you have a yellow outfit or a yellow stuff clothing on your or background or something in the video, just click on yellow and work on it here. If you have blue, just click on blue. Any color that you have in the video and it's here, you can just work on it, or you just leave it. Okay, good. Graphs, don't touch graphs. Because me, I most time don't use it, because any little mistake on your graphs, then everything will turn upside down. If you are not good with color grading, any little mistake on your graph, you can miss the road. So I always advise my student not to touch it most of the time. But if you know you are very good with colors and ratio, you can touch it a little bit. Okay, so this is highlight. Highlight is to add brightness or reduce brightness or darkness. Can you see? So I'll put my own highlight at 10 like this. Is okay for me. I'm not talking about you. Your own background might be white and your highlight might be too white for it. Your highlight might be too low, and you need to add maybe 50. So that is why I said there are a lot of things that affect color grading. So this is shadow. To remove shadow, you go right, that is plus, and to add shadow, you go left, that is minus. Can you see? Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? So I will just put my own at 5. I remove shadow. 5 is okay. White is for brightness and dark. Can you see? If maybe you want it more brighter, you can increase the white, but I don't like it to be more white or more brighter than this. I want it like this. So this is black, opposite of white. As you can see, it's for coloring, it's for lightening and darkening too. So I want it natural. I want it like this. I don't want to increase or decrease the black. Temp is to add warmness or coolness to your video. It's as simple as that. If you go like this, it's going to add warm color. Can you see? And if you go like this, it's going to add cool color, cool effect to your video. So your own video, you can decide to increase it. If you like it, you can, maybe your background is not red, it's white or blue. When you add temp, it's still okay, it is not reddish, you can use it like that. But my own background is red already. I want something to cool down, so I'll put my temp at 20. This is how I want it. Your own might not be 20. You can put your own at 100, not minus. You can put your own at plus, because our background and our light setups are different. Okay, so who is to add colors to your skin, how you want your skin. You see that it is changing. The who, can you see? Greenish, normal skin color, blah blah blah, like that. But me, I'm just going to leave my own at the center the way it was before. I don't want to add any hue to it. So I'm going to leave it like this. And this is fade. Can you see the work of fade? Can you see? I don't want it. I don't want it to look like this. So I'll just leave it. Remember I said you don't have to use every fixtures for you to color grade. Let's say small. And this is vignette or vignette. Vignette or vignette. I don't know. It is to make you the center of focus, like this. Now maybe the background is too shoky or is too noisy or too busy, you can just make yourself the center of the focus. Can you see? Something like this. This is the effect of vignette. Can you see? For mine, I'm going to put, you don't necessarily have to put vignette, you can just leave vignette at 0, but mine, I like it, I normally put it at 15. So like this, it's going to be like this. I want it like this. And your grain, I don't want green, but let me show you. This is how green is. It will give you this green cover on your face, but I don't want it. So we are done color grading now. This is our color grading. Then you type OK. So here, this is before. Let me show you before and after of our color grading. This is before color grading. This is after. The difference is very, very clear. So after doing everything, you just, this your color grading, this stuff, this one, you just click on it and drag it to the end of your video. So if you find this helpful, let me know in the comment section what you want me to teach you next.